So this is the collaborative project. We have problem 11, and first to solve it, we need to identify what formulas we need so that we can start solving it. So because we have this into parentheses with an exponent of 4, we're gonna use the chain rule. Then we have a base to an exponent, so we're gonna use base A. And then we have a cot, which is a trigonometric function, so we're gonna use the rule with cot.
So now we're going to do this part of the problem. We're going to divide in two because it's a subtraction, so we divide it. So that chain rule states that we need to take down this exponent, so we take it down. We leave it the same parentheses, 8, 2 minus 6x squared plus 9. And this is minus 1, so it's going to be 3. And then the derivative of this is the base A, so the derivative is ln of 8 u prime, so it's minus 12x, and then the same exponent, so 8 2 minus 6x squared. So then we add common factors, it's going to be minus 48x, 8 2 minus 6x squared plus 9 to the third power, ln of 8, and 8 2 minus 6x squared. So this is the first part of this problem. Then my teammate's going to explain this part.
We're gonna do this part of the problem. So since we have a square root, we need to change it to minus parentheses 7 minus 6 cot x, but with a 1/2 because it's a square root. And in here we have the same chain rule. So to get the derivative, we put this to 1/2, the same because of the rule, and minus 1, 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2, and then we multiply by the derivative of this. To get the derivative, this is a 0, so it disappears, and we have a minus 6 times we have the trigonometric function. The x derivative is 1, so it stays like that. Cosecant square with the same, so it stays like this. Now that we have this, we multiply to this because it's a monomial. So now we write it as minus. So this multiplies, so it's minus 3 cosecant square x. It's an x here, sorry. It's an x times what we had already here, that is the same, but now 7 minus 6 cot x to negative 1/2. Now that we have this, we cannot have negative exponents, so we pass it down and it goes dividing, so it goes fx equals minus 3 cosecant square divided by minus 7 6 cot x squared to 1/2. And then you can leave it like that, or you can make it again a square root to be more simplified, and you leave it like that.
So we already have this part of the problem, so here it is. And we already have this part of the problem with a negative sign, and this is here. So like we don't have a common factor, we cannot simplify anymore, so we leave it like this. So this is how it will look, and since we don't have anything of common factor, we leave it like that. So this is our answer of problem number 11.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, teacher.